Greetings, my beautiful kids. Today we will do practice of some division sums. We will use long division method for practice. Let's start. Students, we will do the revision of division sums. The question number 1 is divide 63 by 7. Here we will arrange the digits like I have already arranged. Here I will divide 63 by 7. For this I will read the table of 7 until 63 will come. Now look at the table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63. We need 63. So 7 nines are 63. Now we will write 9 as quotient. Q means quotient. And then we will subtract 63 from it. We will subtract the product of 7 and 9, that is 63, from the dividend 63. Let's subtract it. 3 minus 3, 0. Again 6 minus 6, 0. So here the product is 0, that we will write as remainder. Here R is the remainder. Now again I am describing it. 7 nines are 63. 7 nines are 63. So I have written 63 here. Then I have subtracted 63 from 63. Here 0 is the remainder and 9 is the quotient. Students, quotient is the answer of division sum. Quotient is the answer of division sum. Friends, let's take one more example. Divide 32 by 8. By arranging the digits like this. 32 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. So we will read the table of 8 until 32 will come. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So 8 fours are 32. Here we will write 4 as quotient and then we will subtract 32 from the dividend 32. Now we will subtract 32 from 32. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. We will write R as remainder. Students, we know that 4 is the answer of the division sum. 4 is the quotient. Now let's move to next example. Divide 72 by 9. By arranging the digits like this, we will read the table of 9 because 9 is the divisor. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72. So here 8 will come as quotient. We will write 8 as quotient and then we will subtract 72 from the dividend 72. You all know that 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. Here 0 is the remainder. Students, always remember quotient is the answer to a division sum. Now we have to divide 60 by 10. Here 60 is the dividend and 10 is the divisor. We will arrange the digits like this. Now we will read the table of 10 until 60 will come. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60. So we will write 6 here because 10 sixes are 60. And we will subtract 60 from 60. 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 6, 0. Again 0 is the remainder. We will write R as remainder. Students, always remember the answer of a division sum is called quotient. Here Q is the quotient and in this sum 6 is the quotient. Let's divide 44 by 11. Now students, we have to read the table of 11 until 44 will come. Let's start. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44. So we will write 4 as quotient and then we will subtract 44 from 44. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So 0 is the remainder. Here 4 is the quotient. 11 fours are 44. Answer of this sum is 4. Students, let's divide 24 by 12. Here we have to divide 24 by 12. Let's arrange the digits. Arrange the digits like this. Here 24 is the dividend and 12 is the divisor. We have to read the table of 12 until 24 will come. Let's read the table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. So we will write here 2 as quotient. And then we will subtract 24 from the dividend 24. 4 minus 4, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So 0 is the remainder. Here R refers to remainder and Q refers to quotient. Now students, let's do one more sum. Here we have to divide 60 by 12. We will arrange the digits like this. Then we will read the table of 12 until 60 will come in the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. So 12 fives are 60. Here we will write 5 as quotient and then we will subtract 60 from 60. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Here R is the remainder. 5 is the answer to this division sum. Thank you, my dear lovely children. Now I hope the division with long method is clear to you. Now it's your time to do practice.